What's the oldest you would date? Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
7 years.
Would you ever consider dating a foreigner? Hi everyone, I'm Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. Have you ever thought to yourself, what's the oldest you would date? Well, in today's video, we will ask Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, what's the oldest you would date? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What's your name and age?
Anna Marie po, 24.
24. Anna Marie. Are you studying?
No po.
No,
Done na
you're
po.
not.
Tapos na.
Oh, you're done. So means you're working, right?
Opo.
May we know what's your job?
Teacher po.
Teacher. Oh, beautiful. You're teaching kids or high
Yes po, elementary.
elementary? That's beautiful. Okay. Anyway, what's the oldest you would date?
I think yung gusto ko po sana is yung ka-range lang din po ng age ko. Siguro, late 20s, pwede na po. Late 20s.
Late 20s. How about if he is rich? What's the oldest you would date?
Same din po siguro.
Same age.
Opo. Mga late 20s or, yes po. Late 20s, pwede na po yun.
Oh. Okay. Would you consider dating a foreigner and how old is too old?
Yes po, pwede naman po, pero I think hindi na po siguro lalagpas ng 40s kasi ayoko nung nung parang kasing age yung papa ko.
Oh.
Opo.
So she said yes, she would date a foreigner, and as long as the age is not above 40 years old, below 40, good. What's your name and age?
Ali po.
And your age?
22 po.
22. Are you working or you're studying?
Working student po.
Working student. Wow, that's so good. Okay, may we know what's your job?
Sales lady po.
Sales lady. Okay, in a mall, right?
No po.
Store? Oh,
Yes.
see. And what course are you taking?
Education po.
Education. So you're gonna be a teacher. Okay. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single po.
Single. How long have you been single?
Week.
Weeks. Weeks.
Weeks po.
Weeks. So you're broken? Okay. Anyway, what's the oldest you would date?
9 months.
What's the oldest you would date? Pirang edad ba yung pinaka-gurang na i-date mo?
30.
30 years old. 30.
Yes.
How about if he is rich? What's the oldest you would date?
50.
50? 50 years old. 50 years old. Would you ever consider dating a foreigner?
Yes.
Yes. What's your name po and age?
My name is Aileen Martinez and I am 38.
I was very amazed. She doesn't look 38 at all. You look so beautiful, madam.
Thank you.
May we know what's your job?
My job is I'm into events and currently working as events coordinator of government agency, one of government agency.
Wow, that's beautiful. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
7 years, almost 7 years.
Are you picky or
No, I'm not, but the last relationship I had, it was failed, so parang I need to enjoy myself first.
but are you looking for in a serious relationship?
Yes, of course, because the longest relationship I had before, it's almost lasted 7 years. So
Wow. Wow. Okay. Anyway, Ma'am Eileen, what is the oldest you would date?
I guess 50 years old. Yeah, because I'm already 38, so it's okay.
How about if he is rich? What's the oldest you would date?
I guess I'm not into rich people because in my mantra in life, I need to enjoy myself with own my money and not other people's money.
So 50.
50, yeah.
Okay. Would you ever consider dating a foreigner?
Yes, of course. Love has no boundaries, no limits of age, and also no other people can divide us when it comes to love. So
Okay, some of you might be like interested now. I just want to ask one more. You have no kids, right?
I don't have.
And no husband.
No, I don't have yet.
What's your name and age?
My name is Trixie. You can call me Baba. And then I'm 26 years old.
My sister is Trixie, the same name as yours.
Pretty.
Oh, yes, the same. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Start May.
This year? I mean last year.
This year. Yeah, last year. So,
You're so pretty, like very
thank you.
beautiful. You're welcome.
Ako lang to. Thank you.
Are you a business owner because you were selling clothes?
Employment.
Oh.
Pero ano lang to, sideline.
Sideline. She was selling, I mean, clothes there at the back. Anyway, what's the oldest you would date?
Around siguro 30 to 35 pwede. Oo.
30 to 35. How about if he is rich? What's the oldest you would date?
35.
35. That's
Yeah,
the oldest.
40. Maximum 40.
Okay. Would you consider dating a foreigner?
Yes, of course.
What's your name and age po?
I'm Jen. 23 years old.
Jen, are you working, ma?
Yes.
May we know what's your job?
I'm sales lady.
Sales lady. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
I'm NBSB.
Oh, no boyfriend since birth. I see. Are you like looking for a serious relationship?
Right now I'm fixing myself first. Yeah.
You don't have boyfriend yet, but you're already broken?
I'm just crush for just fling.
I see. Okay, so Jen, right?
Yes.
What's the oldest you would date?
Maybe I'm 5 years older than me.
So like 28 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. How about if he is rich? How old? I mean, what's the oldest you would date?
If he is rich, I maybe 30 years old.
30 years old? Okay. Would you consider dating a foreigner, and how old is too old for you?
40 to 50 years old.
40 to 50 years old. So, would you ever, consider dating a foreigner? Yes or no?
Maybe.
I'll take that as a yes. Anyway, Jen, thank you so much.